Father, I come before you with empty hands. I have no strength of my own. The battles have been many, the tears have been countless, the road has been long. But your word says, let the weak say, I am strong. So tonight, Lord, I exchange my weakness for your strength. Hold me up. Carry me through. Be my strength. When my feet can no longer carry me, when my heart is weary from the fight, when the mountains stand before my path, and darkness covers all the light,
I lift my eyes unto the heavens, where my help has always come from. You are the shelter of my soul, the everlasting Holy One.
I have nothing without you. I can do nothing on my own. Every breath I breathe belongs to you. You alone sustain me. I am weak, Lord, be my strength. Hold my hands and carry me when I cannot stand alone. Let your power rest on me. I am weak, Lord, be my strength. Be the fire inside my bones. In my weakness, you are strong. I belong to Your grace is enough. Your grace is enough for me. Your mercy is enough. Your power is enough. Your presence is enough for me. Your grace is enough. Your power is enough. Your spirit is enough. Jesus, you are enough. Lord, I surrender every fear. I surrender every disappointment. I surrender every weakness. Take what is broken. Take what is wounded. Take what is weary and fill me with your strength. I hear the Lord saying, my grace is sufficient for you. My strength is made perfect in weakness. I hear the Lord saying, you shall not fall. You shall not break. You shall not be abandoned. I hear the Lord saying, I am holding you. I am carrying you. I am strengthening you. I am weak. Lord, be my strength. Hold my hands and carry me when I cannot stand alone. Let your power rest on me. I am weak. Lord, be my strength. Be the fire inside my bones. In my weakness, you are strong. I belong to you alone. You are my strength.
Beloved, if these moments of worship have touched your heart, don't walk away carrying your burdens alone. The God who strengthens the weary is still near. He has not forgotten you, and He will not leave you. When your strength is gone, His strength is enough. When your heart is overwhelmed, His peace is greater. When you feel like giving up, His grace will hold you. Today, surrender every fear, every pain, every disappointment, and every weakness into His hands. Let His presence become your strength and refuge and your song. Thank you for worshiping. May the strength of Christ carry you through every battle, and may His love surround you until we worship together again. God bless you.